Today I am reviewing the HP 15.6-inch laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the display, this laptop features a 15.6-inch HD touchscreen with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. While it's not full HD, the screen is bright and responsive, supporting multi-touch gestures like pinch, tap, and swipe. The micro-edge design keeps the bezels thin, giving you a more immersive viewing experience. It's also flicker-free, which helps reduce eye strain during longer sessions, whether you're watching videos, scrolling through documents, or doing casual web browsing. Under the hood, the HP 15.6 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 370-320 processor. This is a quad-core chip with efficient architecture, giving you solid day-to-day performance for most tasks. Paired with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, this laptop can handle multiple apps open at once without slowing down. The RAM is not only fast, but also power efficient, helping improve battery life, which is important if you're working on the go or away from a power outlet. Speaking of storage, the 128 GB PCI NVMe M.2 SSD is a major upgrade compared to traditional hard drives. This SSD allows your system to boot up quickly, load programs faster, and generally feel more snappy during use. However, the 128 GB capacity is on the smaller side, so you might want to use external drives or cloud storage if you work with large files or many applications. Graphics are handled by integrated AMD Radeon graphics, which are great for smooth video playback and casual gaming. You won't be running the latest AAA titles at high settings, but for streaming movies, light photo editing, or playing popular esports games at moderate settings, it performs admirably. One of the standout features on this laptop is the operating system, Windows 11 Home in S mode. This version of Windows is streamlined for security and performance, restricting apps to those from the Microsoft Store, which helps protect against malware and phishing. If you need more flexibility later, you can switch out of S mode to the full Windows 11 experience. HP has also included a handy shortcut with one-touch access to Microsoft Copilot, an AI-powered assistant that can help boost your productivity. Whether you need help with writing, organizing tasks, or searching for information, this feature adds a layer of smart assistance right from your keyboard. Privacy is taken seriously with a physical camera shutter that lets you block the webcam when you're not using it, plus a dedicated microphone mute button with a clear LED indicator. This gives you peace of mind, knowing you can prevent unwanted recording easily. The HP True Vision HD camera delivers crisp video quality, even in low light, and uses AI technology to reduce background noise during calls. This makes it a solid choice for remote work, online classes, or virtual meetings. Connectivity-wise, the laptop is equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, offering faster internet speeds, better reliability, and improved range. This ensures smooth streaming, quick downloads, and seamless connection to wireless peripherals. Lastly, HP has taken an eco-friendly approach with this laptop, using ocean-bound plastic for speaker enclosures and recycled plastic for keyboard keycaps. It's a small but important step towards sustainability that many users will appreciate. To sum up, the HP 15.6-inch Ryzen 3 laptop is a well-rounded device for anyone needing a dependable and secure everyday laptop with touchscreen convenience, solid performance for daily tasks, and useful modern features like AI assistance and privacy controls. It's especially great for students and professionals who want a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality.